All right, problem 16. It's asking us to select the graph that shows the solution set of the system of linear inequalities. Before we start, I want to go over some of the basics of working with inequalities on graphs. So we have two inequalities and we need to find the solution to both of them. So if you're used to working with equations, when you have y equals minus 2 over 3x plus 5, then once you make the line, the solution is everything on the line. When you're working with inequalities, there's four types of inequalities. For y is greater than something like minus 2 over 3x plus 5, we have a dashed line because the line is not included in the solution set. And since it's greater than, everything above is what we're interested in. When y is greater than or equal to, the line itself is included now and everything above the line. So that's why it's solid, because it's including the line in the solution set. When y is less than something, then we have a dotted line, a dashed line, showing that the line itself is not included in the solution set, but since y is less than, it's everything below. Y is less than or equal to, again, the line itself is included and everything below the line. Okay, so now with that under our belts, let's take a look at the actual problem. So when we look at this inequality, y is greater than minus 2 over 3x plus 5, the line either looks like this or like this. So which one of these, they both start at 5, but which one of these goes down 2 over 3, right? It has a slope of minus 2 over 3. It's this one. So it's either this one or this one. These two don't have the correct boundary line for minus 2 over 3x plus 5. So C and D are out. Now if we look at whether it should be dashed or not, when y is greater than, there's no equal to option, so that means it shouldn't be dashed. Should not be dashed. And same for this one, should not be dashed. Oh, it should be dashed, excuse me. It should be dashed because there's no equal to sign. So we can also eliminate B already, and the answer is automatically A. But in another problem, you might have to decide exactly where things will need to be shaded. So notice that this one is y is greater than minus 2 over 3x plus 5. So we're in this situation here. We have a dashed line and everything above is good to go. So all this stuff above this dashed line is good to go in terms of inequality 1. In terms of inequality 2, this one here, it's dashed. That's good because it's greater than, not greater than or equal to. And then everything above the line is good to go. And the region where these overlap, right in here where it's shaded, is what tells us that this is the correct region to shade. And so our answer is A.